Welcome to the Host with Confidence podcast. I'm Becky Guzak, here to empower the hesitant host to entertain with confidence and ease. I'll be sharing stories, strategies, and inspiration on how to take out the stress and boost up the joy of welcoming guests into your home. Okay, let's get started. Welcome. Today's tip is all about a low-effort, high-reward way to gather with friends and family. This episode was inspired by a recent piece in the LA Times written by Lori Ochoa that spotlighted a takeout potluck hosted by the legendary Nancy Silverton. It was laid back, but still felt thoughtful, a reminder that simple hosting can still feel special. Nancy Silverton is a James Beard Award-winning chef and baker, best known for starting La Brea Bakery and co-founding Mozza in Los Angeles. She's a big name in the food world, but this story isn't about fine dining. It's about how she brought people together in a way that was simple and smart. Nancy sent out a text to a group of friends, many of them chefs, and it said, "Having a potluck, bring your favorite takeout." That's it. No one was expected to cook, not even her. The fun part is, this is someone who's built her career on perfect technique. But for this party, it wasn't about impressing anyone. It was all about sharing good food and company without spending hours in the kitchen. Nancy and her partner, Michael Krikorian, helped a bit behind the scenes, just enough to avoid repeat dishes. Like if someone said they were bringing Armenian flatbread from a favorite spot, they'd gently steer others towards something different. Overall, it was low-key. It felt more like a shared celebration of the best takeout in LA than a traditional potluck. So what showed up at the table? Goat biryani and butter chicken from an Indian place called Quality of Bombay, crispy rice salad with Thai sausage, spicy shrimp and kimchi dumplings, fried chicken sandwiches from Daybird, donuts, bread with garlic butter, and yep, In-N-Out burgers made an appearance too. Everyone brought something they love. Some dishes were fancy, some were nostalgic, but everything came from a restaurant, market, or takeout window. Not a single thing was made at home. Here's why I love this story. It's a great reminder you don't have to cook to host something special. Even someone like Nancy Silverton, who could whip up a 5-course meal without blinking, chose to keep it simple. She set the tone, sent the invite, and let the food come from places that already do it well. The result? A relaxed, delicious, and joyful gathering. So if hosting feels like a lot right now, maybe try your own takeout potluck. Invite friends to bring a favorite dish from a place they love. You'll end up with a table full of stories, flavors, and maybe a few surprises. It's a great way to connect, discover something new, and skip the stress of cooking for a crowd. That's it for today's episode. If you've ever hosted a no-cook gathering or want to give it a shot, I'd love to hear how it went. Send me a note at hostwithconfidence@gmail.com. Until next time, remember that great hosting isn't about perfection. It's about making it welcoming. Happy hosting! Thank you for tuning into this episode of the Host with Confidence podcast. I hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to help you along your hosting journey. Please remember that the key to hosting with confidence